Hello friends, in this class of Maths for class 10th, I will discuss you few problems related to arithmetic progression. In the previous videos in part 1 and part 2, I have already discussed you how you can calculate nth term of an AP and how can you calculate the sum of n terms of an AP. And the link of these videos I have given you in the description box. You can search from that. In this part, we will do few problem sums. First we will do revision. The nth term of an AP is an. An is the nth term equals first term a plus n minus 1t, and sum of n terms is equals to s equals n by 2 2a plus n minus 1d, or if last term is given, then s equals to n upon 2 times of a plus l. Now we will do few questions. Here, this is the first question. Which term of AP 4, 11, 18, 25 and so on is 42 more than its 25th term? You have to calculate the value of n, means that term whose value is 42 more than its 25th term. It means what is given or what you have to calculate means you have to calculate the number of term, and first you will calculate 25th term. First you will make the data. First term is 4, common difference d you will be needed, 11 minus 4, second minus first term, that is 7. Then you can determine the 25th term. What is 25th term? A25 represent 25th term equals first term is 4 plus n minus 1d according 25 minus 1 multiplied by 7. Overall you will get its value 172. Here is the 25th term, and what is given in this question? You have to calculate that term whose value is 42 more than this. Here what is given? Given that the nth term an means you will calculate n term whose value is 42 more than its 25th term. 25th term you have calculated 172. An is 172 plus 42 and its total will be 214. Okay. You know about this formula of nth term. The formula of nth term is a plus n minus 1d. Substitute a here, 4 plus n minus 1, and the value of d is 7. What will be its value? N minus 1 into 7 equals 214 minus 4. N minus 1 into 7 equals to 210. N minus 1 equals to 30, or n equals to 30 plus 1 means 31st term. The value of 31st term will be 42 more than its 25th term. Now we will do next question. In this question, you have to find the sum of first 40 terms of the AP, whose fourth term is 8 and sixth term is 14. First, you will use these terms. Fourth term is 8. How will you calculate the solution? The fourth term value represented as A4 equals first term is A plus n minus 1 means 4 minus 1 times d. Okay, then you will get a plus 3d. The fourth term value is 8. Substitute 8 here. This is equation 1. Now use this term. Sixth term is 14. Similarly, as you have calculated this fourth term, the value of sixth term a plus, for same AP you will put same first term a. For this you will get 5d, 6 minus 1 5, and this sixth term value given is 14. Now you can do this in by means of simultaneous method. Simultaneous equation you have solved already in class 9th. By that method, or by an elimination method, substitution method, anyone you can use, you will get its value. A will be -1 and D is 3. When you get these two values A and D, then you can calculate the sum of first 40 term, because A given, D given, number of terms are 40. Then you can apply the formula for sum of n terms, which is n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 times d. You have to substitute values only and you will get the answer. 40 by 2, 2 multiplied by first term plus 40 minus 1 multiplied d. You have to ask the sum of first 40 term, then you will put n equals to 40 here. Now solve it. 40 by 2 is 20 minus 2 plus 39 into 3. 20 times minus 2 plus this value is 117. 20 into 115. On multiplication you will get final answer 2300. Beside this, if you have any problem, you can write in comment box, or even you can call me at 9026304242. If you like this video, please like it, subscribe it and share it. Thank you.